Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today's video we are talking hair care faves, hair care products that we absolutely love, that are tried and tested, that we get often asked about, so we thought we would share our hero products. Quite different actually, aren't they? We're going to share them with you today. Who wants to start?
Shall I go first?
Go for it.
So I wear my hair up quite often. I just can't be bothered to wash my hair 3 times a week and then style it. So I find
it's healthier.
Well, it isn't. But it's funny because some people say a healthy scalp is healthy hair. So anyway,
let us know your thoughts.
Nobody got time to keep washing their hair. So I wear my hair up, and also it does act as a semi facelift as well. But I do find that I have a crazy, ridiculous headache by the end of the day. But I do often get asked how I do it, and to be honest with you, I think it's one of those things that over time you kind of find the right technique, and I actually think the dirtier your hair,
100%.
the easier it is.
Because when it's too clean, it just separates in all the wrong places.
So a tip for you guys that I actually discovered for myself a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So key point is, when you wear your hair up, you don't want your hair too clean because you get all those flyaway bits and it's just annoying. Do you ever find that you get those really dry,
the ends are like distressing to
which is the worst thing ever for your hair? And also I'm really conscious when I do pull my hair back, you just don't want to keep breaking it when it's really dry. So I thought one day I'm going to put a treatment on my hair and then put it up, and then I'm kind of ticking both boxes. So
your habits.
Introducing Olaplex number 3. This is their repair and strengthen treatment. So I basically start at the ends and I smother the ends in this stuff.
And we're going to add, we do actually love this product overall to mask in often as well. So I do need to try this, but I would use this as a mask.
Yeah. It's not made for this. This is just a little
Philippa's
technique
version
that I've got. But yeah, it's a great mask. But if you also want to mask and then put your hair up, and what I like about it is that it holds it in place without it looking wet. So I literally smother the ends, brush it all through, and then it makes it so much easier to put it up, and also I'm protecting my hair at the same time.
Double whammy.
So absolutely love this mask, but also top tip, use it in your hair when you put it up.
I like it. Talking of protecting your hair, I have been so on it for so many years about heat protector, because I feel like my hair breaks. You know, we have colour in our hair, and I feel like it's so important to protect your hair. And recently, well, for the past few years, you guys have probably seen us speak about the Pureology Colour Fanatic Spray. There are so many benefits, including heat protection, and even on holiday, I've got a mini one. I would never ever dry my hair without putting it on. Anyone
that doesn't use heat protector when you style your hair, you need to
go to jail.
Yeah, literally.
I'm going to read you all the benefits. I don't know them off by heart. Health preserves colour. Yes, for coloured hair, it's so good. Leave-in conditioner, detangles, makes blow drying easier, moisturises, smooths, conditions, primes. So many good things, and it's a really good product, and one of the few that I buy time and time again. We do work with Pureology. This is not part of any work we do. It's just a product that is now part of our routines that we love. It doesn't have a scent, but it's just super easy. I just basically spray it all over. I think I'm quite OTT with it, just because I want to get it to do all the benefits, but it doesn't leave like any sticky residue or anything like that.
The reason why I love it is you don't feel that coating to it.
Because sometimes in the past, you know, if you put like a cream product in, it gets quite heavy, your hair, whereas this is super lightweight, and it's especially good for coloured hair.
And also I have quite fine hair, so I find sometimes if I put a heat protector on, it makes it too smooth, and then it just hangs. So it's a really good one.
So that's mine.
So next up for me, another hair up key product. Sarah Ellis found this for me on Amazon.
From TikTok.
I
was TikTok influenced.
Was it from Amazon? It was from Amazon that you found on TikTok, and this is so good. We've got everyone in the office with this stuff. Grace yesterday wore her hair up for the first time ever, and she used this and she looked so fresh, didn't she?
It's so good.
And it's basically like a roll-on wax. And what I find that we are almost at the end of the day, so you can see it's coming away there. But if you want to touch it up, especially those bits there,
they're the worst.
It's so good. And you just tittify it throughout the day if you want, and it really does help smooth it all out. And then I just do that. And then this is like a kind of standard horsehair brush, but just so good for smoothing it all, flattens it. So once you've got your Olaplex treatment in, once you've got your wax in, and then you brush it, basically your hair is not going anywhere, and that is me done, basically.
And in the evening, I've got a question for her.
Yes.
When you go to bed and you've got all these products on your pillow.
Yes, I know. I am sometimes quite worried about this situation as well, but what I tend to do is I take it out and shake it all out, and for some reason it just loosens and it doesn't feel too sticky.
Okay.
But probably by like day 3, day 4, I mean, I really should wash my hair at that point. So, but yeah, day 1 and tonight I'm definitely washing my hair.
So I'm vigilant about my spray when I style my hair, but also, I don't know if you do this next bit.
What is it?
I put oil in my hair after I've styled it.
Yeah.
So basically, Nuke's dry oil is the one, because what I find is when I style my hair, because my hair's quite thick, it's like really curly and high up, and I want to break down the curls a bit. So I rub a bit of oil into my hand, and I just kind of
instead of hairspray.
As well as.
Okay.
So I kind of just separate them a bit, and for some reason the oil, I've always done it keeps the shine, but it just separates through, and I've just, yeah, it's my top tip. I think it's really, really good, and then you don't end up with that kind of like, do you know what I mean?
Too
bouffant curls. It just helps draw them out but keeps it shiny. And what I love about this is that you can also spritz it all over your body. Hair, body, nails. It's definitely a desert island product.
I was about to say, I was away last week, took it with, again, hair up, spritz it on, and because it's a dry oil, it doesn't look wet. You just gives you that extra glow, that golden glow. Put it on your shoulders and you are good to go. Okay, lastly from me, I want to share a treatment that I've used for years. I will never not have this in my cabinet. It is an absolute must-have for me, and that is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Now, I've got that size for when I'm on holiday, because when I'm away, yeah, because if you're around the pool and you've got your hair up anyway, you might as well put a treatment in.
And tell me, that with the Olaplex? Or
probably not.
You
no,
I
wouldn't need Olaplex with this. The Elasticizer, if your hair is very dry and in bad condition, let me tell you, use this for a good solid 3 months. Try and use it like 3 times a week, if not more, and your hair will be repaired. It is the best of the best. I actually, before I got married, went to the Philip Kingsley clinic in London quite a few times for their Elasticizer treatment. They do it in the clinic, and it's not with hairdressers. They're almost like doctors.
Yeah.
And it was just amazing. And the lady there completely sold the whole range to me. But I swear by it. I think it is just so good. As Sarah said before, we have so much colour on our hair. We put so much heat on it. Treatments are key, and I love the Elasticizer.
Finally, from me, something quite new to my routine. I've always been a die-hard hairspray girl, so obviously I've styled it, I've oiled it, and then I like to kind of just set it with hairspray. But recently, I've been converted to texturizing spray.
Am I allowed to take some form of credit for this?
And Amber Hair.
Okay.
Both of you. Because what it does, it gives it that bit of grit. Now, I don't know, I didn't know that I needed grit in my hair.
It holds it a bit in a better way. It gives it in
like more of like a, you know, zhuzhy, but not zhuzhy, like messy, effortless. The dry texture spray from Moroccan a brand we absolutely love. We've been using it for years, but it's only now, this first time, I've tried their texturizing spray.
I had no idea
it's really good. I'm going to do a little demo. It just holds it. It just gives it a bit of, look, you can see the difference from that side to that side.
Yeah.
Kind of just
it's
messes it up a bit.
Like dry shampoo.
Yes.
It acts in a similar way.
So you could actually use dry shampoo as well. I don't know if I'd use this as a dry shampoo, but
the same kind of form.
And it stays, and I think that's really important, because sometimes you've tried those texture sprays, you spray stuff on, and then your hair, like by the time you get out the door, it's totally flat. But this is really good. I love the smell and soft, gritty feel, effortlessly undone.
Exactly what we said. I had no idea Moroccan oil do this. So I've always used the Oribe. No idea if that's how you pronounce it. It definitely isn't. That's how we do it. Discovered this at my hairdresser. Limo's lovely. He always has the best products, and he told me to use this to hold it. Because as I said before, I have very fine hair. So when I tongue it, you need that grit, you need that texture. And sometimes hairspray just makes it too sticky and stiff. Whereas this gives the movement still. It kind of adds that effortless kind of next day waves vibe. So 2 different options for you.
So I wanted to share with you some of our hair care faves today. It's a question we get asked a lot. So you've now got all the secrets to our waves, to our hair up, and we hope maybe we inspired you to try some new products. And yeah, it's just things we swear by.
And of course, we will link everything below. So if you want to check out the details or anything, everything is listed below. We hope you enjoyed this week's video, and of course we will see you either next week or the week after. We're trying to do them every week, but sometimes
Life gets in the way.
Exactly. So we will do our best, and we will see you soon.
Bye.